In this video, I will show you how to clear cache and free up storage in your Android. For that, simply open up your system settings. From here, simply scroll down below. Here you will find apps. Click on it. Then click on app management. From here, you will get this list of apps. You can simply click on any app. Then click on storage uses. Here you will find cache. Simply click on clear cache. Then go back again and you can repeat the process and you will find the most cache in the most used app in your phone, like Instagram. Here you can see the cache is about 772 MB. Click on clear cache again. Make sure that you don't click on clear data or clear storage. It will delete all of the data, all of the account you've logged in. So just ensure to click on clear cache. You can repeat this process for as long as you like. After you're done clearing all the cache, simply press and hold on to your power button and restart your phone, and then the storage will be freed up in your device. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.